Five little sharks swam out to play in the deep blue sea where the bubbles stay, chomping and splashing in their sharky way. One swam off and got carried away. Swim, 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 where'd they go? The sea's so big it's hard to know. Five turns to four, then three, then two, but don't you worry, they'll come back to you. Four little sharks danced near the reef, twisting and turning, showing their teeth. One did a flip, and oh what a feat! Swam too far and had to retreat. Swim, 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 where'd they go? The sea's so big it's hard to know. Four turns to three, then two, then when, but they'll come back when the game is done. One little shark, all alone, oh dear, looking for friends, but they're not near. Called out a splash, made it clear. Where are you buddies? Come